Alright folks, if you've been keeping an eye on the Samsung rumor mill lately, you already know it's been buzzing, especially around what processors their upcoming phones will be running. From whispers about Exynos making a comeback in the Galaxy S26 series to leaks, saying the Galaxy S25 FE could pack a MediaTek chip, things have been anything but boring. And now, it's the Galaxy Z Flip 7, stirring up the latest round of speculation. So here's what we've got so far. Just last month, a leak suggested that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 would be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, a slightly customized version of Qualcomm's flagship chip made specifically for Samsung devices. According to that report, the phone had already passed all of Samsung's internal tests, including the all-important network and connectivity checks. It sounded like a done deal. But not so fast. A new twist has just entered the chat. According to a fresh leak from well-known ex-user Rev, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might actually be powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2500 instead. Yep, the same chip that reportedly didn't make the cut for the Galaxy S25 because it wasn't ready in time, but now could be making its big debut in Samsung's next-gen foldables. This aligns with earlier leaks that hinted the Exynos 2500 would be used in premium models of the Z Flip lineup. In fact, one insider claimed a Samsung official confirmed this switch-up, saying the Exynos chip simply wasn't available in large enough quantities when the S25 was being finalized. But now, seems like they've got enough stock to roll it out. So, what does this all mean? Well, Samsung might be going back to its old playbook, offering two chipset variants of the same phone depending on the market. Think Snapdragon for regions like the US and China, and Exynos for Europe and possibly a few other countries. If you've been following Samsung long enough, you'll know they did this for years with their Galaxy S and Note series. And if that's not enough foldable drama for you, there's more. Samsung is also rumored to be working on a more affordable version of the Z Flip 7, which could launch as the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. According to Rev again, this model won't be using the Exynos chip. Instead, it's expected to come with the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that powered last year's Z Flip 6. So basically, the Flip 7 FE could end up being a slightly tweaked re-release of the Z Flip 6, maybe with a lower price tag and some trimmed-down features. As for when we'll see all of this go official, if Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, we'll probably start seeing teasers drop sometime in June, followed by a full launch event in July. And between now and then, you can bet there'll be even more leaks, confirmations, and maybe a few surprises. So, what's your take? Would you be cool with Samsung going dual chip again, or do you prefer they stick with just Snapdragon worldwide? And would a cheaper Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE tempt you to finally jump into the foldable game? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay techie.